Are you trying to plan out your next meeting, but it's just not working? I get it. Well, Storyflow is here to help. All right, so you want to do organization, you want to do research, you're up all night, you're trying to figure this out, and you want to create one canvas with AI that shows your whole project, and you want to show the, next business guy you talk to, you want to show the BC, you want to show somebody that, hey, I really know what's going on. This is an AI workspace for people who are thinking. So you want to organize everything. You have, your research papers over here. You have this, you have something that's stuck in your mind, 2 a.m. Well, you can go ahead and research it. You can analyze it. You can create it. You can do tasks. Then you can go ahead and connect all your ideas. Then you can organize it some more and then share it out. To me, this is much, much better than just having, a bunch of jumbled ideas and notepads everywhere. So if you got 50 sticky notes on your monitor, I don't know, this might help. What can it do? Kanban board. So you have the different tasks. You have the document for the mind map. You have brain dump. You have the task list, and it's all in one place. This is where the best agencies do their thinking. So if you have that meeting, you don't want to be everywhere. You don't want to show people that, hey, I don't know what I'm talking about, or I'm scatterbrained. Now, why not just use Notion? Bunch of blank pages. There's an add-on. ChatGPT and Claude, I'm not even going to go there. Yes, they're useful. Miro looks awesome, but here's the problem. You got to fill it all in. This works with you, and a lot of people really like it. So this is coming out, but what can you do here? I have an idea for a software as a service company. Some organize it. Boom. So you will have to connect this with Google. You can build some cool things with the story. Now, it's going to give you a bunch of plans. Do right here. You don't have to do that yet, but this is something good to know. Get unlimited, you can get early access to this, live team collaboration, all that type of stuff. And you can actually start for free though. So that's one good thing. Now, why I like this is you can just come up with different things. Also, here you can see email, and they have their questions, all that stuff. So if you want to do whiteboard templates, live team collaboration, AI documents, content designers, anything, research, it's all here. And then the free plan does have a limit, so do keep that in mind. But I would suggest, if it makes sense, then giving it a go. So let's go back to Storyflow right here, and we can see all the information here. So what you want to do, come up with the next idea that's going to work for you, and come up with what you want to do. It is for free, or you can start for your team, or you can do it monthly. Depends on what you have. And then it shows you everything you get for the canvases, the AI, and all of that. So give it a shot, see how it works for you, and also try and see if you can get all of those things organized. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I'll catch you in the next one.